Herbert School AMASUNG Bengaluru da LEIBA KRISTU JAYANTI College ki Professional Excellence and Lifelong Learning CPELL na SHINDUNA Numit Nini Chupna Chathagadaba Teacher Development Program ama ngasi CHANGANGEI da LEIBA Herbert School da Houdokhre Teacher Development Program on Life Skill Education haina mingthonduna pangthokpa thauram aduda Certified Life Skill Course Professor Dr. Jonas Richard Amadi KRISTU JAYANTI College Bengaluru gi Clinical Psychologist Assistant Professor Bigran Bapuna Research person sing oina saruk yaki Numit Nini Chupna Chathagadaba workshop aduda punna session nipan legani hari workshop aduda self awareness creative and critical thinking interpersonal relationship problem solving decision making amadi life skills for 21st century educators haiba yauna tongan ba hiram kayada khananenagadauri workshop hudokpagi thauram aduga mari leinana Herbert School gi principal Dr. K Nabachandra na hai matamgi matung inna honglakliba kaya asiga loinana oja sing asi chatpa ngamnaba amadi modern technique of teaching learning process ta oja sing asigi wakhalon update tawhannabagi pandamda workshop asi pangthokpani Mamang thakhtagi hauna school asigi oja singda tongan ba training makhal kaya phanghanduna lakli tha ani ahumgi mamangdasu school asina sinduna school asigi oja singda question set tawba amasung evaluation gi matangda Numit Nini gi workshop ama pangthokkibasu leire haina mahakna makhata na phungdokhi
council da question lepa mark yam wangna phangba aduga amukta ahamuk try tawu matamda medical government selection pangba aduga engineering da koi G advanced crack to si arrive thok nate masigi IIT gumba am selected adugumba engineering college in the koi admission to ba du phangan ba adugumba examination makalamani college sina koi satra singi apamba parents singi apamba adu tungana bai dongta laknei koi education piu matamda value based education aduni ekona basis bizarisi sumna magyanu phangweda natna koi national level competition da mai oiba mai pakpa adu satra ko thona ba